That story was very short. This is the sandwich. This is the dragon. Ah! Once upon a time, I won. Everyone gave me cookies.
Sofia's stories are funny because they're silly. They are.
Dragon Zemrake. The dragon got bored and went home to watch cartoons.
Wow, look at that. It's so amazing.
Sofia's Storytime, where stories get silly.
Oh no, friends, Captain Paws just wrote the weirdest story ever. It's about a sandwich that wears a cape. If you think you can tell a better story than Captain Paws, smash that like button. And let's show Captain Paws how it's done. Hi friends, I'm Sophia, and welcome to Sophia's Storytime. Today's story is about Captain Paws trying to become a story writer, just like me. Let's begin. It was afternoon outside the school in Powell. Kids were walking out happily. Emma and Ava were busy trading stickers.
Emma, I got new stickers. Wow, you trade? Yes. Okay, I want this one. I'll this. Perfect trade, best friends. Yay, let's go show everyone.
When suddenly, swoosh, Captain Paws landed heroically. Or almost heroically. He landed on a lunchbox. Crunch. Captain Paws stood up loudly.
I meant to do that. It's a specialized foot strengthening exercise.
Emma giggled.
Hi, Captain Paws. Why are you wearing glasses with no lenses?
Captain Paws whispered dramatically. Those are my story writing glasses. I'm wearing them.
Because Sophia wears them and I need storytelling advice from you as you are her friends.
Captain Paws cleared his throat. Now listen to my
Masterpiece, the brave sandwich.
Emma blinked. What, Captain Paws? Captain Paws read. Once upon a time, there was a brave sandwich. He had ham, cheese, and a cape. A dragon arrived. The dragon was scary, but the sandwich just sat there.
The dragon got bored and went home to watch cartoons.
The end. Sauce tilted his head.
That story was very short.
Ava said,
Captain, that's not a story. A story needs drama.
He scribbled.
Maybe it needs a villain.
Now the dragon fights.
Let's assume a sandwich fights a dragon.
A sandwich fighting a dragon, said Eva. Pixel sighed. This keeps getting ridiculous. Captain Paws jumped up.
I will acti-ted the story. This is the sandwich. This is the dragon. Ah! Whoop!
Emma laughed.
That was funny.
Captain Paws stood up dizzy. Excellent. I will add more falling. Pixel nodded. That may actually help for once. Can I see your story? Weird novels he wrote. Whatever. Suddenly, the air turned green and stinky. Puff! Dr. Whifflepants appeared.
What is this nonsense?
Captain Paws shouted. I'm writing stories. Dr. Whifflepants laughed.
Your story is terrible.
Your story is terrible. It's garbage. Captain Paws gasped. How dare you? Dr. Whifflepants grabbed the notebook.
My story is better.
He read,
Once upon a time, I won. Everyone gave me cookies. I ate them. The end.
That's a real story. Emma crossed her arms.
That story is worse.
Ava nodded, much worse. Dr. Whifflepants looked offended. Children are very rude and stinky. Captain Paws tried to grab the notebook. Dr. Whifflepants ran. Socks chased him. Emma threw a paper airplane. That poked Dr. Whifflepants on his nose. He fell. Ah! Emma kicked the lunchbox. Whee! The notebook flew into the air. Whoosh! It landed on Captain Paws' head. Look! I'm a notebook head man. My new hero name. Everyone laughed. Dr. Whifflepants ran away while crying.
I hate stories. This cannot fail again.
Captain Paws sat down. Phew, writing is harder than fighting vacuum cleaners. Emma smiled.
Sofia's stories are always funny. She just wants to make people smile.
And because everyone helps socks back to stills, and because Captain Paws keeps falling, Captain Paws smiled. That is my special talent. No one must know. The end. What kind of story should Captain Paws write next? If you want a story about space potatoes, touch your nose. If you want a story about dancing dinosaurs, touch your ears. Thanks for watching Sofia's Storytime. Smash that like button right now and give us a big thumbs up. See ya next time. Bye-bye. Peace out.
Wait till I take my revenge. Thanks for watching.